everyone, I will present my mini project titled ESP32 Best Real-Time Temperature Monitoring System using Blink IoT Dashboard. This project focuses on measuring temperature digitally and monitoring it remotely using IoT technology. In many environments such as laboratories, rooms, or equipment areas, temperature must be monitored continuously, so manual checking is inefficient and not real-time. Therefore, we propose a smart system that can measure temperature automatically and display the readings remotely through the internet. So the main objective of this project is to develop a wireless IoT-based temperature monitoring system for real-time environmental sensing. And the main components include a ESP32 microcontroller as the signal processing unit, and then a one-wire digital temperature as the sensor, the Blink IoT platform as the display element, and we also use a breadboard, jumper wires, and a pull-up resistor for the circuit connection. Sensing element in this project is one-wire digital temperature sensor. This acts as the sensing element which it will respond directly to surrounding temperature, and it is not analog, which is it is the digital temperature sensor with use one-wire communication protocol. And the function is to convert temperature changes into digital electrical signal that can be read by the ESP32 microcontroller for the processing later. As our signal processing unit, we use ESP32 microcontroller, so it acts as the signal processing unit which will read the digital data from temperature sensor. This ESP32 will process and convert to Celsius value. The function it is convert sensor output into meaningful temperature information later. For our display element, we will use Blink IoT Dashboard. It acts as the display element which show the real-time temperature reading with the digital numeric readout that can be accessed through the mobile or web. So the function is to display the process temperature data in a clear and user-friendly form for monitoring and analysis when the heat are trapped. So this is my circuit diagram, and I will explain the working principle, which is very simple. So the sensor will detect the temperature, and the ESP32 will read the digital data, and the data is processed and sent through a Wi-Fi, and finally display on the dashboard. So this allows real-time monitoring anywhere. So this is our hardware prototype. As you can see, the sensor probe measures the surrounding temperature. The ESP32 will collect the reading and send them to the cloud. And then on the dashboard, the temperature is shown as a live digital label. So then, let's see, we tested the system under the two conditions, which is the room temperature and heated temperature using a lighter. So the reading increased immediately on both the serial monitor and dashboard. So this shows the system respond accurately in real time. And as you can see, the dashboard, the temperature is shown as a live digital label using virtual pin V1, and the user can monitor the temperature through the web browser anytime. So based on this project that you have seen, the conclusion, the project successfully developed a real-time IoT temperature monitoring system, and all objectives were achieved and the system worked accurately and reliably. This is because this design can be further expanded for smart home, labs, or any industrial monitoring. By this system is low cost, wireless, and portable, and also easy to implement. That's all for the presentation of my project, and thank you for listening.